Fatima, working as training officer in NSTIW, and I am the coordinator for CTS Trades of Architectural Draftsmen. Here in this is a 2-year course, and the admission procedure is like after 10th we will be taking the admissions on merit basis. So students coming from the schools, or even there is no age limitations, people coming from the colleges, from professional fields also, we are taking as per the merit of the 10th standard. So this is a 2-year course in which we are covering lots of areas in architectural drafting. Like we are covering the drafting part, of course. Apart from that, we are covering 3D designing and drawing, reading, sustainable architecture, and a lot more. After passing from here, the students have lots of upcoming professional verticals. Like I have already told, they can go into the sustainable architecture. Definitely they can work with architects, structural engineers, and they can work as an interior designers, they can work as landscape designers also, and they can have their own practice, they can work as an entrepreneurs also. Apart from that, we are here running some short-term courses also related to the architectural drafting. That is, we have already introduced the 3D designing short-term courses, in which we are covering Revit architecture, that is a BIM software, and that is building integrated modeling, and that is currently, it's a very upcoming technology in the construction field. And apart from that, we are using SketchUp, we are using renderings also. People can have 3D renderings, our students can prepare 3D renderings after completing the short-term courses as well as this 2-year courses. And apart from that, we are having Photoshop, we are having Lumion, Enscape, and lots of more softwares we are teaching here as per the market demand, and we are continuously updating our syllabus also. We are in our syllabus panels, we have professionals also, those who are giving the inputs from the industry to make it fit our course, our students, to make them fit for the industry. We are in this 2-year course for 6 months, we are having on-job training also. Currently, our first batch will be passing out this year. Recently we have started this course, so our first batch will be passing this year, and all of them are on-job training currently, and probably they will be imbibed into the industry. It means they will be getting the job opportunities simultaneously. So apart from that, we are concentrating on drawing readings, construction drawings, sanction drawings, and building bylaws also. The student should be very much ready for the industry when they are passing out from here.